Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for January 2nd to the 16th. For January 2nd to the 6th, the pattern hasn't changed very much. We still have a trough here over much of western North America, eastern Pacific, and we have above normal heights here across eastern North America with below normal heights across Greenland. And the trough is forecast and this will result in Arctic air being almost being absent pretty much across the nation with the progressive west to east flow. Now, during this period, we're expecting a low pressure system to be developing in the plains. You can see it right here. We have snow on the backside, rain, storms. We look at severe storm potential. This will be for Tuesday and Wednesday. And we'll take a look at the caps here. So it's pretty much in the same area that we said yesterday. This is surface cap here. And we look at the European, now the GFS. A little bit more compressed to the Gulf Coast states. But we'll have heavy rain that can lead to flash flooding across parts of the south, along with severe weather Monday through Wednesday. And we'll look at the precipitation amounts for this period. Here is Monday. Now we can see about 2 inches maybe here. 2 inches. This is 24-hour totals. Then we go into Monday, went another inch or 2, and then it spreads into the east. The west will experience mild to heavy precipitation next week with the greatest totals across California. And we'll take a look at that next week. Here we go into the... we see 1, 2 inches, 3 inches parts of California. You can see here. Here's a European. And that's forecasting higher amounts. 4 inches maybe. And then we see we had the highest precipitation occurring across the Sierras. So there's a lot of activity here. It will be in the west. And we have little, if any, cold air across the nation. We're going to look at the period now for January 7th to the 11th. And the pattern remains pretty much the same, trough ridge configuration. And so with this forecast, I'm calling for... Let me see if I can get it to work. Sometimes it works. I guess it's not going to... Okay, hold on. I'm calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be about 8 degrees above normal, up to 8, above normal precipitation forecast, above normal temperatures forecast here, with anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here, and for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 45%. Below normal precipitation forecast here, probability of occurrence is near 35%. Looking ahead for January 12th to the 16th, flows a little more flatter, still above normal heights across much of the east. We have our trough here over the Eastern Pacific. So for this, I'm calling for... No, it was just working a second ago. I saw a flash. When I move around, it shows flashes. I'm calling for above normal temperatures for much of the country. And I'm calling for anomalies be near 10 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. And for this region, probability of occurrence is about 35%. Below normal precipitation forecast here, probability of occurrence is 35%. Still expecting a change to occur after this period, sometime I said around the 16th, so we'll see how it looks next week. That's it for now. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for January 2nd to the 16th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.